Hi. Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series.
In today's video, you will learn how to create a Shopify product page in PageFly.
Product page is where you show information about a product, such as image, price, detail, so customers can make a buying decision with an Add to Cart button. First thing we need to do is head over to the PageFly dashboard. In Page Listing, select Product Page and go to Product Page List to create a new page. Here we are in the PageFly editor. First of all, we need to assign at least one product for this page. Click on the three dots icon here and choose the page assignments. And select products you want to assign here. Note that you can choose many products and their product pages will have the same design. Now it's time to create an awesome product page. You can access our template library. Filter product page type and pick one template to use. Or create a unique product page using our element in the left toolbar. I will take a quick demo for you. In this example, I will show the media list like this so that customers can check the products from all angles. Next, I will change the background color for the Add to Cart button and the Quantity button. The color of these buttons can be taken from one of the colors in your store's logo. I chose green for this sample.
For the product options, you can choose to show the drop-down menu, radio button or use option swatches. You can set the option swatches by clicking here. In this example, I will choose the radio button type. After that, I will drag the two-column layout onto the page editor to create a section with texts and an image to describe more about the product. Drag the heading and paragraph onto the left column. You can change the style of the text by clicking on it and going to the Styling tab. With the column on the right, drag the image element and select an image to show. Click in the row here and go to the General tab and set center for all elements inside it. Next, I will drag and drop the YouTube video element here to show the customer a full view of the product. With the YouTube element, you just need to copy and paste the YouTube video URL onto the text holder here. After everything is done and you want to check the page on live view, go ahead to publish the page and open it on live view. You can see the live page will show the product page you created in the theme. And PageFly content is put at the bottom of the page. If you use the normal theme and you don't want to use the default product details from the theme, you can deselect the default product details in the theme sections here. If you use the Dawn theme from the Shopify Online Store 2.0, you need to set it up in the Shopify admin. Click on the Customize button in the theme section here. Select the product page you have created on PageFly by finding the ID of the page like this. You can find the ID here. Click on the I button here to hide or show the theme sections. Or you can create some sections on PageFly like this. And use this content to do more customization for your theme product page. In the theme Customize here, you can move, shuffle the PageFly section like any other theme sections by dragging and dropping it at the place you want.
Click Save. And here you go. PageFly content is put between the themes sections. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.